Alright, here's the chicken. And what I'm doing over here is I'm combining. I put that, and it had a little bit of balsamic. What the heck? And I put that barbecue sauce. I rinsed it, and then add water. Yeah. Mother, do you think they'll like this song? Ooh. Now it's pretty thin. Mother, do you think they'll try to break my balls? Should have built the wall. Mother should have run for president. It's smoky season. Mother should have trusted government. Light. You gotta look that word up. Ooh, wow. It's just a waste of time. It's never a waste of time. Hush now, baby, baby, don't you cry. Mama's gonna make all of the nightmares come true. Mama's gonna make all of the fears into you. Mama's gonna keep you right here under her wing. She won't let you fly, but she might let you sing. Mama's gonna keep baby cozy and dry. Oh man, warm, not dry. Ooh, hey. I just need a few more times for the album. Hey, hey, of course Mama's gonna hear and build the wall. This should be right good.